Checking in at the airport.
Hello?
Hello. Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Let me check.
Okay.
Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
All right. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Okay, just a moment.
Thank you. Let me weigh it.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's within the weight limit. No extra charges.
That's good.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Sure. Let me check availability. Yes, I've assigned you a window seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your boarding pass.
Great. What time is the boarding?
Boarding will start at 10:30 a.m. at Gate 12.
Okay. And where is gate 12?
Just go straight, then turn right after security. You'll see the signs.
All right, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Asking about boarding time.
Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
I wanted to ask about my flight.
Sure. Which flight are you referring to?
Flight 105. What time does it board?
Let me check. Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And what time does the boarding gate open?
The gate usually opens about 30 minutes before boarding.
I see. Which gate should I go to?
Your flight will depart from Gate 8.
All right. Is it far from here?
No, it's just a short walk. Follow the signs and you'll find it easily.
Okay, great.
Make sure you reach the gate at least 15 minutes before boarding.
Sure, I will. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight. Immigration conversation. Hello, passport, please.
Hello, here you go.
Thank you. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from London.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism. I'd like to explore the city.
That sounds nice. How long will you stay?
I will stay for about 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I'll be staying at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
That's good to hear.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't have anything to declare.
All right. Your documents are in order.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay and have a great time.
Thank you very much.
Asking for luggage help.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
Can you help me with my luggage, please?
Of course. It looks quite heavy.
Yes, I have a lot of bags, and it's hard to carry them alone.
No problem. Where do you want to take it?
To the taxi outside, please.
All right, I'll help you carry it.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. It's no trouble at all.
Sorry for the trouble.
Not at all. Don't worry about it.
Is the taxi stand far from here?
No, it's just outside the main entrance.
That's good.
Please follow me.
Okay. Thank you again for your help.
My pleasure. Have a safe journey. Asking about flight delay.
Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
is Flight 202 on time?
Let me check. I'm sorry, it is delayed.
Oh, I see. How long is the delay?
It's delayed by about 1 hour.
That's unfortunate. Do you know the reason for the delay?
Yes, it's due to bad weather conditions.
I understand. What is the new departure time?
The new departure time is 6:30 p.m.
All right. Has the boarding gate changed?
No, the gate remains the same. It's still Gate 5.
Okay, that's helpful.
We will make an announcement when boarding begins.
Should I stay near the gate?
Yes, that would be a good idea.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem. These things happen.
Thank you for your understanding. Have a nice day.